44 in Texas, or that's your cat.
Big on. Hold the mountain cat 44 and a big on. Mountain cat 44 and a big on. What is 44? You got them front toes, that river out there, 44. Oh, cat wave will make you. I'll get right back out here. That 51, he's around to go.
That's 44 in Texas, different one.
God bless you on the fire family, cat, more cat. 44, big on, but the big quiet gone. Well, damn, 44, take care of that time. Have a good weekend, young family. All you boys will carry up. Let's go. Bye, 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 bye.
Sound good out there, 44 in Texas. 51 saying hello to you. 44 would be 51 Virginia saying good evening also. We're getting out of the way. All right, 44, have a great evening down there, and I appreciate the shout. And T-Bird got a big old house full of you. Evening time, T-Bird, 5-1. T-Bird, always a pleasure, my friend. Glad you give me a shout. Have a good night, T-Bird, and we'll catch you later. Have a good weekend. 51 back out of the way.
Evening, T-Bird, 26-5. Good evening, Mr. T-Bird, 26-5, Virginia with the evening wave. You know about it, T-Bird, 26-5, T-Bird, 26-5, Virginia. How about you skip land? How about you skip land? Dude, I'm broke it down. I can't get off the porch. Break belly.
There's that hard for skip land. 5-1 Virginia said, come on. Yeah, Triple Nickel, Arkansas, 5-1 Virginia. Got a good copy on you. Triple Nickel, Arkansas, 51 Virginia. Hey, Triple Nickel, it got real busy in there, but you sounded good. Hey, Triple Nickel, 5-1 Virginia said have a good evening that way.
Triple Nickel, saying howdy, come on.
Yeah, you sounded good there, Triple Nickel, 5-1 Virginia, 51. I got a big old copy on you, 44. Take care of 5-1 back out of the way. Have a good one, T-Bird, man. You sounding good. 5-1 Virginia back listening. Old T-Bird down there in the pool hall, 26-5. That old T-Bird, 26-5 Virginia. 26-5. Been waiting to add you and then I'm cutting it off. Mr. 26-5. Have a blessed good day. T-Bird down here at Little Joe's pool hall, Texas. I'm out. One more T-Bird. Appreciate that comeback. You have a good one there. 3s and 8s, my friend. 26-5 T-Bird, 26-5 Virginia. Southwest side, back quiet. Reading mail. Kid out of Carolina. I sure wanted to let you know you made the trip down here in Texas. Have a good day now. Have a good night, T-Bird. 5-1 out of the way. Breaker on that DX land. Breaker DX land. 802 Virginia. You try to get this thing around the airway, big bang. Hey, Triple Nickel, you getting it through the airways. Triple Nickel, 5-1 Virginia, letting you know one more time. Triple Nickel, 5-1 Virginia, back listening. I'm just in my little. I appreciate the wave, bud. Take care. Catch you later now. Yeah, good evening around the Bayou. Also 5-1 Virginia. Heard you in the Bayou. 51 Love Country back out of the way. 44 in Dallas, man, you got it. Smoking 5-1. Catch you later.
what you call Sterling Hornet's nest up. Shoot.
I can't believe what it's doing.
5-1 Rebels love country, he said, and back listening.